everybody, it is Jennifer Brownsnick, and I decided to make this video for you today to tell you a little bit more about my program for moms called Your Aura Speaks Louder Than Words. And basically what that means is that our energy and how we show up in the world is so important. And it's not even so much about how we speak, but how our vibe is, how our energy is in the world. And this is especially important for moms to understand because we have kids, we have our partners, our husbands, we have moms in the community that we are juggling. We're trying to make friends for our children. We have a lot of demands put upon us to be present and fun and calm, and it's a huge stressor for a lot of us. I know it is for myself. It's so hard to juggle everybody's needs and especially to add in my own. And so that is why I wanted to create something that's just for moms, a community for us to come together to learn about ourselves, about how our energy operates, as well as how the energy of the people closest to us operates. And so in this program, we are going to talk about human design, which is a synthesis of a couple different esoteric concepts, including the I Ching, the Hindu chakra system, Kabbalah, quantum physics, and Eastern and Western astrology. So we're going to have that as a piece. We are going to look at mindfulness and meditation and how to incorporate some mindfulness techniques into our life, as well as practice a couple different really powerful meditations to get deep clarity about what do we want in our lives. And then finally, the program's going to end with some introduction into emotional freedom techniques, otherwise known as tapping. And so we're going to do some tapping on some of our biggest, most pressing issues, in addition to looking at how we can tap in order to break through some of that past conditioning that we may have experienced in our lives. And so moms, I invite you to join me and a group of other really, really amazing women and mothers for this journey. It's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be easy. It's not gonna be something just to add one more thing to your to-do list. I would never do that to you. And so I hope that you do. I hope that you give it a shot. There's a couple different options to join. It's really reasonable. And you're going to get a lot of information and really practical stuff on how to feel more happy, more confident, and relaxed in your own skin with your family. Feel like a better mom, feel more confident. And isn't that what we all want? We just want to love and accept ourselves. We want to love and accept our children, our partners, which eventually spreads out to the whole of humanity. And the thought of living in a world where everybody has compassion for one another is so powerful, so meaningful to me. So again, I invite you to join me, and please reach out if you have any questions. Jennifer at themindfulfamily.com. Just shoot me an email and we'll set up a time to talk. So thank you. Hope you have a great rest of your week, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.